What's going on, everybody? My name is Michael, and today we are going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with a free AI tool that helps you automate your sales on products that you don't even have to fulfill. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff that takes you through step by step everything you need to do to get started earning money with AI and ChatGPT. And again, all of this is 100% for free, and you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere in the world. Inside of this video, you're going to get this roadmap that will show you everything that you have to do in a checklist format. You're also going to be getting a bunch of pre-made videos that have already been built for you so you can start posting on social media. I'm going to give you a list of long-form videos that you can start replicating. I'm going to give you pre-made and pre-written emails that you can start sending about the different tools, and a ton of other stuff, including a free AI tool that will allow you to send emails, automate your follow-ups, and even build landing pages. And all of this is going to be 100% for free. And all you have to do to gain access to all of this right now is drop a comment, leave a like, and a subscribe, and I will send you access to this right now. So go ahead, drop a comment, leave a like, and a subscribe, and I will send you access to all of this for free right now. So to be able to get this Google Sheet, you're going to need to go to digitalplaybook.com, go ahead and hit get course and bonuses, put in your information, and it is going to take you to this page where you can watch this quick video, some testimonials, and then you're going to want to sign up for the 30-day trial of the tool called High Level, and this is what's going to be able to allow you to import snapshots, which I'm going to explain here in a second, which has all the email automations, funnels, and scheduling tool. So once you sign up for this, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. Let's go to the dashboard. Now these numbers right here, don't mind these. These are just for a demo account. And over here on the left-hand side, we're going to see conversations, calendar, contacts, opportunities, payments, and then marketing, automations, and sites. These are the three that we're going to focus on today, with marketing being, it's going to be allow you to schedule social media posts, automations where the emails are, and then sites, that's where the funnels are. So we're going to go to automations. You're going to see, you're not going to have all of these in here, but you're going to have the new email opt-in, Instagram, and Facebook comment automation. So this email opt-in right here, when someone enters in their name and email address into your opt-in page, they are going to get imported into this automation where it has 60 plus emails getting sent every day, promoting and pushing people to click and sign up for whichever AI tool you are choosing to promote. So how are we going to get your affiliate link into all of these emails? So you don't have to manually do it. There is something called a custom value, which allows you to import your link once, and then it gets populated into all the emails. To get to custom values, you want to go back to the home page or your sub account, go to settings, and we're going to scroll down till we find custom values. You're going to want to hit new custom values, type in affiliate link, and then you're going to enter in your affiliate link right here. To pick which one you want, just go to the AI tools, and all these right here, I've used most of them. I haven't promoted most of them, but these are all really cool AI tools. Ones that I recommend, or my top picks, are going to be up here. And let's just take Go High Level for this case. Pretty much all these tools, if you scroll down to the bottom, they will have a place where it says like affiliate program. Yeah, affiliate program, you're going to click here. You are going to sign up. And then once you do, it will give you an affiliate link like this. Copy. And then you're going to want to paste this into the value. Boom. I'm not going to do that because I already have my custom value. Boom. Right here. Got that all set up. So now every time someone gets put into the automation, and if they click on one of the emails, whether it's day 1 or day 22nd, they click on an email, it'll point them to my affiliate link. So if they sign up for the program, I'll get paid on the rebill of that tool. So we got the emails. Now we got to get content and drive traffic to those links. Now, on the digital playbook, if we go over here to IG Reels, these are all IG Reels that you can just click. You're going to click, download this right here. Once you download it, you will be able to go back to the tool, go to marketing, and then you are able to schedule it out right here. So no, I know that was quick. If you have any questions or you want a step-by-step, just go to the free course. If you click right here, it'll take you to free AI agency course where it shows you everything from content creation, how to structure emails, setting up the AI employee, everything you need in the free course. What I will recommend though is when you download these videos, I call them reels, but you can put them for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, all those obviously. I would suggest editing them some way. Change up the videos a little bit so it doesn't get flagged for repurpose content. Once you have that all automated or all scheduled out, then you just repeat. Now let's go to the funnel. So you will have, it's not loading. So this is a funnel right here. Obviously this is generic. You can change this to whatever your niche is, AI, whatever, marketing, and then some type of video explainer. Because if they're coming from short form content, then they're gonna want to be able to see and watch something a little bit more in depth before even putting in their information. This obviously isn't connected, so it just takes it to the top. But this is the general idea for a funnel. Just to wrap up, first thing you need to do is go get the Google Sheet, digitalplaybook.com, and this gives you access to all this stuff. Snapshots, emails, YouTube long forms, AI tools, even an old checklist where it shows you how to record, automate social media, different ways to engage, Facebook, Instagram, everything right here. Then select the AI tool. All the AI tools are in the checklist. Recommend any of these, honestly. Starting off, replicate content. So you can either recreate the videos since they've been proven to work, or just use the downloaded ones that my team and I have already have done, and they're imported into the checklist. Send traffic. How do you send traffic? Creating content. You need like one long form a day, 2 to 3 shorts, 2 to 3 reels on Instagram, Facebook, as many places that you can send out content. Do it. Last but not least, automate and repeat. So if you do this within 30 days, there's no guarantee, but you'll start seeing results. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments below. If you want to join the Discord community, that link's going to be in the description. That's probably the best and easiest way to get a hold of me with any questions you have. But appreciate your time. Thank you, and happy money making.